So they are here. I'm so excited. If you missed out on the sale at Sephora, I'm sorry, but I had to. I couldn't miss it. Let's see what we got. Some of these are rebuys, some of these are new, but I'm gonna let y'all know. If you know, you know. This is the Fenty Skin Moisturizer. This is Butter Drop. I can't explain it. This is probably like my 6th one. Yeah. Next up, I got the Lancome lip gloss. Let me show you the color. My friend had this, and when I saw it, I was like, oh, I have to have it. Look how pretty that is. Ooh. This is actually a new purchase. This is in the color Tickle Pink. Girl, look at this. Next up, I had like the minis of the Nest perfume body oil, but I love me some vanilla, so I said I'm gonna get the traveling size with me. I'm gonna go on a vacation real soon, and this is what she's looking like. This is a new purchase. I guess you can't say new purchase because, wait a minute. This is kind of a new purchase only because I haven't had the bigger size, even though it is traveling. But I love me some vanilla. Oh, you see how much came out? That is a good rolling ball. Ooh. Next up is skincare. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross exfoliating pads. I've had these before. I'm still trying to figure out, do I like them or not? This is my 3rd box. Maybe I like them. I don't know yet. This is my holy grail. After I do my serum, my moisturizer, the sunscreen, oh my god. It is the perfect foundation for your makeup. Like, even if you don't use any primer, you need this. But the thing is, I've actually never had the unseen sunscreen. I have Play, but I mean, we're gonna try it. I didn't even know I got the mini, but whatever. This is what it looks like. Yes, get this. Next up is this Moroccan oil. I think this is body oil. I just been looking for some oil for my skin that's gonna make me glow. This one was packaging on this is so nice. Let's see. Oh, that smells so nice, and it feels like velvet. I like that. Do you see the glow? You can definitely see a difference. She's a new purchase, and once we're done with this, we're gonna get it again. Next up, we have our NARS concealer. She's not new, boo. She is not new. I love her. I've always loved her. She's actually the only concealer that I use, and I get her in the caramel. The coverage is amazing. It's like thick and creamy, and it just dries down so nicely. Like, if you don't have this, if you've never used the NARS concealer, I don't know what we're doing. You need this. Last but not least, this facial cleanser, you need this. This is from Youth to the People. I have been using them the last 3 months. She's pretty. Talk about naturally pretty. She's naturally pretty. She's so basic, but she's just everything. Clearly, this is not a new purchase. You need this. I didn't do too much damage, but that's all I got.